A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet shaving, smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Wanted to make a quick video. I haven't done one of these probably in over a year, maybe even a year and a half. I think the last video I did on bar soaps was Subtle Art Soaps, I believe. But a lot of you know, maybe not many of you now, but that's my second rabbit hole. I have probably, I've got a cabinet here. I probably have 300 bars of soaps, maybe not quite that much. Definitely not as much now. I took 30 to 50 bars and put them on the PIF table at the Great Texas Wet Shavers Meetup. You're welcome, guys, whoever picked those up, including Duke Cannon, PAA, you name it. I had bar soaps from everywhere. I am a sucker for a good bar of soap. So I wanted to bring to your attention, if you don't know, I'm not sure how new they are. I haven't really dug into their history. But John Bonham brought them to my attention, Cape Cod Wet Shaving. I'm going to have a link to his channel. He's actually got a video where he's shaving with a bar of soap from Bombshell Suds Company, and that's who we're going to be talking about today. I went and bought about 4 bars from them, and I'm still on that first bar. I can't remember how long ago this was, but I'm still on that first bar of the Gambler. And man, you know what? I'm going to pull up those scent notes. I cannot get enough. I can't imagine they make a bar soap that smells better than this one. Let me pull up those fragrance notes. I should have had this ready. I got their website up. So, I'm going to kind of be going back and forth. If I could spell it right, I typed in Grambler. All right, the Gambler. All right, listen to these scent notes. It's top. I'm looking around my stand here. Top notes of bergamot, black pepper, leather, smoky sandalwood, Egyptian oak moss. Man, it says smell like a high-end casino. Warm leather chairs, smoky woods, and a sharp, clean edge from bergamot and black pepper. It's dark, confident, and smooth without being overpowering. It is an absolute banger. I bought a second bar of it, and you know what? I'm sure I have it right here. This one. Oh, there it is. Right there, the Gambler. I probably could have looked at this. This probably had the scent notes on it. No, it does not. But yeah, I bought a second bar of the Gambler. I also, those other bars I got, which I have them here. This one is, they have some dupe bars. This one's inspired by Creed Aventus. And I picked up, y'all know I love lavender. I picked up just a solid lavender, and the bars are crazy colors on some of them. This one's called the Bouncer. This is one of the newer ones I got in. Oh, and it smells incredible. And look at their logo, man. Who has a better logo than Bombshell Suds Company? And they sell stickers as well, but they send you a few stickers as well. And you also get, a nice card with their logo, which is also a handwritten note. And, I always, and a lot of you agree with me, love that little personal touch you get in an order. This one's called Mad Scientist. Had to get that, and that's what this logo is, if I'm not mistaken, is the Mad Scientist. I've got the Bison. This was a collaboration he did with a leather company, and the leather company actually made a DOP kit. So if you buy that DOP kit from the leather company, I'm sorry, I don't have their name in front of me. I believe you get a bar of soap in that DOP kit. And this one is called Koya. It smells so good, which is another collaboration. So, yeah, I have quite a few. I've also given a few away. They have a few more feminine leading fragrances. One of them is a dupe of Yves Saint Laurent's Libre, I believe. Which is a very, very popular women's fragrance right now. And I had a coworker at work that she loves it, so I grabbed her a bar. I had a friend I gave it to. I've got one for my daughter. You also get a few samples. I'm not sure what this one's a sample of, but it smells fantastic as well. And so I can't get enough of them. I don't want to. I have so many other soaps I haven't used yet, and I like to do a different artisan every time I run out, but I don't want to switch. I want to stick with Bombshell for another bar. And I've probably still got a good week, maybe 2 weeks left on this one. The bars last a great time. They lather up fantastic. They smell incredible. For me, it's the perfect strength of scent. I haven't run across one that was too lightly scented or too over scented. Just smelling the bars. I haven't ran across one yet that I'm kind of iffy on. I've been lucky. These are all blind buys, and I've been lucky, and I already have a small list of what I'm going to buy again once I'm out. I am always going to have Bombshell Suds Company in my bathroom, in my den, available. Throw one in a container to take to travel with. It is outstanding stuff. I can't say more about it. No point to this. I'm not really reviewing. I just don't know if you know this company. So I wanted to get their name out there. I want you guys to go take a look. I have no discount or affiliate code, and I'm not worried about one. But bar soaps, to me, I go just as crazy over them, and severe acquisition syndrome with them, just as much as I do with shave soaps, brushes, razors, you name it. I get just as excited buying a new bar soap. So that's really all it is. I wanted to make a quick video. I want to let you know, and you know what? They are fantastic people. I have chatted with them a few times. Freaking hilarious to talk to. Great people. And, you know, support the small artisans, guys. They have quite a few other things. Like I said, I'm going to put their link up, but I want you to check out their website. They have beard balms, and let me see what else they have. Oh, where is the rest of those? That was in the new items. Sorry, new drops. Man, I should have been more prepared. Yeah, so they do have these beard balms in small tins. And they are from Arkansas, by the way, which I forgot to mention that. This is... yeah, handmade beard balm, small batch you get. It's in a 2-ounce tin. And I'm not sure how many total fragrances they have in that, but I believe that is something they just started. There we go. Beard balm. Looks like 1, 2, 3. They have 4 fragrances in the beard balm. I haven't tried them, so I can't attest to them. But they run $20 for 2 ounces. The soap bars, their standard fragrances run $9, and their premium scents run $12. And they also have build your own soap bundles. You can build a 3-bar bundle. I believe in the premium, it looks like it is $32. And in the classics, it is, you can build a 5-bar soap bundle classic for $42. Man, oh, I just found one I think I want. Sorry. Stop shopping, Barry. You're making a video. So give them a look. Check out their website, and maybe you'll find you one. I highly suggest Gambler. If you like a nice leathery, it's not heavy, harsh leather. It's a very smooth leather with the tobacco. But man, every time I get in the shower, I look forward to lathering up with that bar of soap, and I had to buy a second one. That's it. That's all I got, guys. Oh, no, it isn't. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Stay with me. So, this was originally going to be for Shave Masters, but that's not going to happen now. They do have these mini bars, and I was sent 6 of them. And I don't have the list with me. I'm not sure what happened to it. I thought I had the list right here of what they are, but I will get that list and I will write it out in the description. But I have 6 bars of soap from Bombshell Suds Company that I'm going to give away now. So I want you, and along with each of those bars, you will get a sticker. This is one of their stickers, QR code, which links to their website. And so I want you to comment hashtag Bombshell. That is hashtag Bombshell in the comment section. And I will draw for the winners, 6 winners, CONUS only. I will draw for the winners on Monday. I'm going to drop a video on Monday, and we will do the giveaway then. So hashtag Bombshell at the bottom. in the comment section, and we have two of 3 different fragrances, so 6 bars total. So there'll be 6 winners. I can't believe I almost forgot that. Crazy. I am forgetful. I think that's about it. All I want to say. Outstanding soap. I can't say enough about them. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what